Hello folks, welcome back again for another video. N.I Detecting here. Not getting out metal detecting much this weather. The weather is actually hopeless. A lot of rain and snow and the ground soaking and it's cold, so I'm just doing a wee bit in the house, and I decided to experiment with one of these crusty coins that we're all used to finding. So I've decided to get me a acetylene torch and heat it up until it's red hot, and see if I can remove the crustiness off it. So here we go. You can heat it until it's cherry red, but if you do heat it too hot, there's a possibility it'll melt. It will definitely melt if it's too hot, but you can go, you can heat it up to an extent. That's kind of cherry red there, but I'll give it another wee bit of heat. And then I'm going to submerge it in water. So there she's into the water, and as you can see there's like a black ash on the surface of it, but it does come off. But with the coin being pitted, a lot of the ash is staying in the little holes into the pitting, so that won't rub off that easy. That's the finished coin there, and as you can see there's no detail on it whatsoever. It's all pitted and rough, so it goes to show, even you do get the crustiness off it, there's nothing there. It's had its day. I actually done 3 coins. One of the coins wasn't too bad. You could read it with a nice patina on it. It's coming up here, but the heat treatment actually made it worse. You could read it better with the patina. That's a real crusty one there, just like the one before it. But here's the one with just the patina on it, and that was easy enough to read with the patina, but after heating it, after the heat treatment, as you can see, it's not very clear any longer. So there you have it. If the coin's in so bad a shape, there's nothing you can do about it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting. Bye.